right, good morning everyone. I am here at 2749 Aldersgate coming to you live and realizing my phone is probably now going to be beeping at me. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn around here and that way you can see this amazing property. So 2749 Aldersgate is where I am. We're just going to do a pan of the front here. I'll get a little bit of the street. Very quiet street, beautiful neighborhood, lots of mature, beautiful trees. This side gate here goes into the backyard. There's access on both sides. So now we're just getting a view of the front of the house. And then along the side here is where we have RV parking. And we're going to go ahead and walk on in the front door. So this is a 5-bedroom home, not easy to find. You could also call it a 4-bedroom with a bonus room. You'll see what I mean. Coming in here to the front. And beautiful entry. Gorgeous chandelier greets you when you walk in. These vaulted ceilings. And we're going to go ahead and start by going upstairs. So some things about this home I'm going to be commenting on because a lot of it has been updated very recently. So I believe she just did new powder coating on these stairs, on the railings. I'm going to look back down again. Nice view of the chandelier from up here. So when you come up the stairs, and I've turned left, we're going to come straight into one of the bedrooms here. All the bedrooms are good size. Nice new carpet. I've opened all the closet doors so you can see there's plenty of storage and closet space. Coming back out of this first bedroom here. Into the second bedroom. Nice view outside. You'll see these beautiful trees once I go outside, but you get views of them in the bedrooms. Coming back out into the hallway, landing area. And this whole area up here is carpeted. Like I said, it's all newer carpet. We'll go ahead and go into this bedroom straight on. Again, good sized bedrooms. And then this is that room that could be a bedroom or a bonus room or a craft room, really anything that you want it to be, a game room. I like the shape of these ceilings up here. There is closet space. There are actually 2 closets here. Coming back out. And then we're going to go directly into this upstairs bathroom. Again, everything has been renovated as far as new sinks, vanity, toilets. This one has a bathtub, shower. All very clean. I mean, this house is the definition of move-in ready. Gorgeous. As I understand, I believe the seller went and picked this up in Portland. She was searching for a while for the perfect. Here we go. Coming back down the hall, and again got more storage here. And now we're going to head back downstairs. And this is all new luxury vinyl floor. And this is the living room. Big open space. I'm going to kind of stand over here so we can do a sweep of the living room. And we're gonna go take a closer look at this gorgeous fireplace mantel. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit of a step down into this living space. So if you look real close, you can see that this mantel is absolutely beautiful. I love the rough edge to it. And then these accent walls here are also really beautiful. Whitewashed look. Kind of get a look here at the fireplace. And then just so you can get a sense of the layout, that's going into the dining area. And here we are back at the stairs again and the front door. So let's go ahead and go this way back towards the other bedroom here. We got a hall closet, coat closet. All right, and now we're in the downstairs area, and again, this whole downstairs has this luxury vinyl plank. This is washer dryer hookup right here to the left with these doors that shut, so it keeps everything all tucked away. Bedroom, plenty of closet space. The view out here is looking into the backyard. And now we're gonna head into the bathroom. And again, new vanity, beautiful marble. And this bathroom circles back around outside, out to the hallway here. So this is easy for guests to use. And now we're back in the hallway. I'll do one more sweep around so you can get the idea of the layout. Bathroom, you see that door there that leads into this bedroom. But then it shuts off so that you can also make it a guest bathroom access. Coming back down the hallway into the dining area. Nice spacious dining area with sliding doors going outside. We'll go outside in a minute. Dining area looks into the living room. And now I'm going to do a sweep around to the kitchen. Kitchens are always a favorite part of my home. And this one is really beautiful. Again, beautiful granite. Everything in really nice condition. Again, this place is move-in ready. Stainless steel appliances. I think they call this a farm sink. It's got the one big sink so you don't have the divider in it, which is kind of nice. Looking out, look at that view while you're doing your dishes, cooking. Absolutely beautiful. Dishwasher, fridge, and circling back to the dining area. All right, and now we can come outside. Probably my second favorite part of a home is the yard after the kitchen. The two places I spend the most time myself. So we've got a gorgeous deck here, a little space to hang out, and beautiful yard. Plenty of space. We'll take a closer look at that woodshed in a moment. I'm just going to give you a sweeping view of the yard. So again, good size yard. We're going to come over here on the side. I don't know if you remember at the beginning when we came in, there's a gate there. So easy access. Garden beds. And look at these gorgeous trees. So pretty. And woodshed. I believe this woodshed was built by the seller's grandfather or father. I'm trying to remember which now, but custom built, beautifully done. And now we're headed to the RV parking area over here. Again, easy access and plenty of space and plenty of room to make this yard whatever you want it to be. So whether you enjoy gardening and want to add more garden beds, or if you've got a family and you want to stick a trampoline back here, you got plenty of room to do all of that. All right, we're going to go back out the front door again here, come back through the house. I just want to give you a clear idea of the front yard. We didn't really look at the front yard so closely the first time coming in. Coming back out here, got a little covered porch area. Beautiful mature trees. Again, just really quiet, pretty neighborhood. This is also in a desirable school district, Abe Lincoln. Oh, I didn't go in the garage. I'm just realizing I forgot to go in the garage. We'll go back in there, do a quick turn of the garage, but I wanted to show you the outside here. So if you have an RV or boat or something, you've got place to put it. All right, let's go back in and peek at that garage. I know there'll be some folks that want to see whether they can have a shop in there, and the answer is yes, there is space for that. In fact, there's some shelving already and a workbench in place. Here we are. Some nice wood shelving. A little bit of a workbench. Access to the outside. Coming back in the main house. And we'll do one more sweep out to the front. And if you have any questions, feel free to private message me. You can also email me, simona@rockwellrealestate.com. There we go. Or you can call me, 541-326-2552. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. I appreciate you tuning in. And for those of you that missed it, you'll get to see the recorded version. And I hope you have a beautiful Saturday afternoon.